What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to view and clear your YouTube search history on your mobile device. To get started, open up your YouTube app on your mobile device. Once the app is open, tap on your profile icon, which you'll find on the bottom right corner of the screen. After tapping on your profile icon, you'll see a menu with various options. Look towards the top right corner of this menu, and you'll find a gear-shaped icon labeled Settings. Go ahead and tap on this icon to access the Settings menu. Now that you're in the Settings menu, scroll down until you find an option labeled Your Data in YouTube. This section is dedicated to helping you manage your personal data within the YouTube app, including your search history. Tap on Your Data in YouTube to proceed. Here, you'll see a variety of options related to your activity on YouTube. What you're looking for is the Manage your YouTube search history option. This option allows you to view your entire search history and gives you control over what you want to keep or delete. Tap on Manage your YouTube search history. Once you're in the Search History Management section, you'll see a list of all of your previous searches. You can scroll through this list to review what you've searched for over time. If you want to clear specific items, you can do so by selecting them individually. However, if you wish to delete all your search history at once, look for the Delete option. Tapping on Delete will give you multiple choices. While you can delete your search history for today, there is also an option labeled Delete Custom Range, which allows you to remove searches for the past time, past week, and even the past month. For most users, the Delete All Time option will be the most convenient if you're looking to clearing everything. Select your preferred option to complete the deletion process. Once you've completed these steps, your YouTube search history will be cleared based on the criteria you've selected. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.